Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 28 July 2020. Sweet children, you are wonderful actors in this unlimited play. This is an eternal play and nothing in it can be changed. Question of the day. Which deep secrets only the wise, far-sighted children understands? Answer. The deep secrets of the incorporeal world and the beginning, middle and end of the whole drama can only be understood by the far-sighted children. The full knowledge of the seed and the trees is in their intellects. Know that every soul is an actor in this unlimited play and that they were costumed to play their parts from the golden age to the iron age. No actor can return home midway. Song. You wasted the day in eating and the night in sleeping. Essence for Dharana. First point. Adopt the habit of keeping your intellect busy in churning knowledge. Whenever you have time, go and sit in solitude and churn the ocean of knowledge. Remember the Father and accumulate your true income. Second point, become far-sighted and understand this unlimited play accurately. Observe the parts of all actors as a detached observer. Blessing. May you be an embodiment of awareness and so an embodiment of power and finish the game of dolls by becoming a master ocean of knowledge. Description. On the path of devotion, they make idols, worship them and then drown them, and you call that the worship of dolls. In the same way, lifeless situations of no essence, such as jealousy, imagination force, exception come in front of you. You expand them and then you yourself experience them to be the truth and you make others to experience them to be the truth. So, that is like putting life into those situations, then by having the remembrance of the Father and ocean of knowledge. You let the past be the past and you drown that with the waves of self-progress, but time wasted even that. Therefore, become a master ocean of knowledge beforehand and finish the games of dolls with the blessings of awareness and power. Slogan. Those who are cooperative at the time of need receive multi-millions fold fruit of one. Om Shanti.